everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are here to make money while you sleep, you are in the right place. Today I'm super excited to bring you a good news. I'm going to be breaking down this killer passive income strategy you can start today. I mean now, today, using the Ubitex crypto exchange platform. Tested and trusted by yours truly. Trust me, this could seriously change your financial gains. Buckle up. This one video right here, you don't want to skip. All right, let's get real. Who doesn't want to earn without lifting a finger? Passive income, it's real. It's just about finding the right strategy. And Ubitex, it might just be that tool that makes it all possible. So if you are ready to learn the A to Z of starting using Ubitex and making money on autopilot, stick around. There are lots of ways you can earn passively on Ubitex. Staking is basically one of those ways, and which is putting your crypto in high interest savings account. But the returns are way better. For example, you can earn between 0.3% to 0.6% daily. Yes, I mean daily, and you heard that right, daily. Here's how it works. You buy a crypto asset like Ethereum or even Ubitex native token. Then you stake it on this platform. As you can see, this platform you can stake as well. You can use it as your normal exchange, guys. They are listed on over 6 different exchanges. They're right now in London Stock Exchange. So this is a company that is well structured. When you stake, before you stake, look at this. You see staking. This one that is rolling right here is the staking options right here. Staking 360 days will give you an annual yield of 219%. Guys, this right here, I'm not making it up, okay? This right here is going on, and I want all my viewers to know about this rare opportunity. All right, so when you want to stake, you come on here, you choose the option. You have option to choose 3 days. If you're like, hey, I'm not sure if this is real or not, and you want to test the waters, you can go for 3 days option. You can go for 90 days options, where you're going to be making 0.40%, 0.40% daily. All right, when you choose that, you just click open here, and you put in your normal amount that you want to stake on USDT, and you click on stake now, and that's it. Soon as you stake, you will start earning. The options are 360 days, which gives you 0.6% daily. We have 30 days, which gives you 0.30% daily. We have 90 days for 0.4% daily. These percentage are daily. And we have 180 days, which give you 0.5%. This, as is scrolling, are all the options you have. And let me show you, just to prove to you that it's just not about talking. This right here is one of my accounts, right? And when you come to asset, okay, you click on earn, you're gonna see my total liquidity. This is all I have on this account, $5,320. And when I started, okay, I started with $3,900, but I've been able to grow my liquidity to $5,320. And you know what? During this period, you're going to ask me for how long? This is just barely 1 month, 30 days, all right? And I've already made $1,525, guys. This right here is my total earning. And this money I'm making a daily profit. coming from your staking percentage. Remember when I showed you the 0.6, 0.5? They will be dropping every day at your daily profit. This is what I have earned so far starting this account. And right here on the right, you can see the yesterday's earning. On this account, I'm earning $50. Click it open like this. If you click it open, it's going to show you the breakdown. This is my yesterday's earning. It's going to show you all I have earned. All right. The total is $50. And you earn this on a daily basis. And now let me prove to you to show you that I have just taken this account for 1 month. You click on order. It's going to show you when I started. This is the first day I started. Look at it, 29th of September. All right, 29th of September is the first day I started. So, and now that builds up to what we have in my account. All right, and you know, lovelies, you can make justice to this by just giving you this 5 minutes video, okay, or 10 minutes video. You want to come on inside. All right, you also have option to, earn from your referrals. As you can see on my account, I have team members. If I click on my team, it opens up. Guys, people are not smiling. My 5K that I showed you guys is not included. This is entirely my team on this account. Look at that. That's 21,875. And they're going to show you your team members. If you click details, you see everyone that's been under you. And that's how they're also going to be paying you on what they earn. There's a lot of opportunities to earn from this platform, and if I don't show you guys, my lovely, I will be doing you a disservice. That's why I've decided to bring this. What you want to do is use my referral code, sign up, and come inside. I will be inviting all of you to a private Zoom meeting where you're going to learn more, where you're going to see how to get your feet into this system. You don't want to miss out. And in that Zoom, you're also going to be meeting with the industry experts. You have your questions, answers. You meet with the regional managers. You will be blown away. But this right here is one of my accounts. And I'm bringing this to you guys. I'm believing and hoping that this will help someone somewhere. This is real. It's a platform where you can transfer your money out every day. If I decide I want to take my money out, I will just come here. Okay, I'll come here to what I have earned. I can withdraw. This is what I can withdraw out. I can transfer. All right, I can transfer to someone else. This right here, it's real. Nobody's holding you from having access to your profit. This daily profit, it's your money. Get inside and meet with some users who are crunching the numbers, reporting gains that are downright jaw-dropping. I'm not saying we're all about to become millionaires overnight, but hey, every little bit counts. If you're ready to start earning passively while you're on vacation or just chilling at home, click the link below. Use my referral code and let's start earning together. And if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, share this video, and comment below what's your favorite way to earn passive income. Feel free to leave comments if you need more clarifications, if you need help with signing up, if you need help with joining the Zoom link. I want to see you on the inside.